Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 11-12 subject higher mathematics first paper chapter name vector exercise 2 lecture 3. Today's lesson to describe some formulae and solve the problems related to the formulae. Vector equation of a straight line. Find the vector equation of a straight line passing through the point A and parallel to the vector B is r vector. This equal to a vector plus t into b vector. Where t is a parameter, or we can say t is a scalar variable. That's mean the value of t will be changeable. Follow the solution. Let O be the origin and the position vector of A with respect to O. This equal to a vector. Again, the position vector of P which is lie on the line this or parallel to this vector with respect to O is equal to OP vector, that is equal to R vector. And since the line AP is parallel to the vector B, so AP this equal to, we can write T into B vector. Clear? Follow the explanation. OP vector this equal to R vector, OA vector this equal to A vector. And since AP is parallel to the vector B, therefore AP vector this equal to T into B vector, where T is a parameter. Now, in triangle OAP, OP vector this equal to OA vector plus AP vector. But OA vector this equal to A vector and AP vector this equal to T into B vector, which is the required vector equation of the straight line. Clear, everyone? Now follow the solution related to this formula. Find the vector equation of a straight line passing through the point A whose coordinates are 0, -1, 2 and parallel to the vector B. This equal to I vector plus 5j vector minus 2k vector. Solution. Here given B vector is equal to this. Let the position vector of the point A is A vector, this equal to 0 into I vector minus j vector plus 2k vector. This equal to minus j plus 2k vector. And the vector equation of the straight line is R is equal to A vector plus T vector passes through the point this and parallel to vector B. We know this formula. Now putting the value of A is equal to what? A is equal to minus j plus 2k plus T into B is equal to I vector plus 5j vector minus 2k vector, implies T into I vector plus 5j into T, and here is minus j. When we take minus j, only j common, here will be minus 1 plus 5t into j vector plus 2 minus 2k 2t into k vector. Here 2 and here minus 2t. K is common. This is the required answer. Math is very easy. Okay. 2 number. Find the vector equation of a straight line passing through the point A and B. Okay. Yes, R vector this equal to A vector plus T into B vector minus A vector. That is R vector this equal to 1 minus T vector T into A vector. That's mean here A vector, here will be minus T A vector. When we'll take common A vector, here will be 1 minus T plus T into B vector, where T is a parameter. Same condition. Now follow the solution. Figure will be here the position vector of A with respect to O be A vector, P, B, R vector and B, B, B vector. That's mean O equal to A vector, OP equal to R vector, and OB this equal to B vector. Clear? And the line AP or P is a lie on the line AB. So AP vector this equal to, we can write T into AB vector. So at first we have to find the position vector of the line AB. What will be the position vector of the line AB? AB vector this equal to B vector minus A vector, because by applying triangle law OAB, OB vector this equal to OA vector plus AB vector. Therefore AB vector this equal to B vector. That's mean OB vector minus OA vector. That's mean B vector minus A vector. So AP is equal to T into B vector minus A vector. Clear? Now follow the solution. That's mean position vector OA vector equal to A vector, OB vector equal to B vector, and OP vector this equal to R vector. Now AB vector this equal to OB vector minus OA vector. Here applying triangle law. That's mean OB vector mean OA plus AB vector. That's mean AB is equal to OB minus OA. Clear? B vector minus A vector. Therefore AP vector is equal to T into AB vector, because P lie on the line AB. Clear? But AB vector is equal to B vector minus A vector, the value of AB vector. Now also applying triangle law of addition vector OAP, that's mean OP vector is equal to A vector plus AP vector. Follow here. OP mean OA plus AP. OA is equal to what? OA is equal to A vector. AP mean T into B vector minus A vector. Now multiply and take common 1 minus T into A vector plus T into B vector, which is the required vector equation of the straight line. Clear everyone? Okay, now follow the solution related to this formula. Find the vector equation of a straight line passing through the points A and B. Follow the solution. Let the position vector of the point A is A vector this equal to 3 into I vector minus 2 into Z plus K vector, and similarly position vector of the point B I vector minus 3J vector. Therefore vector equation of a straight line is R vector this equal to A vector plus T into B vector minus A vector. We know this formula because we have already proved in before slide. Now putting the value of A is equal to this, B is equal to this. That's mean just putting the value of A and B vector. Okay, now calculate. We'll get 3i minus 2j plus k vector plus t into I vector minus 3j vector minus 3i plus 2j minus k. Now calculate 3i minus 2j plus k t into 2i minus j minus k vector. Now taking common I vector, here will be 3 minus 2t plus minus 2 minus tj plus 1 minus t k vector. This is a required answer. Clear everyone? Representation of cross product of two vectors in terms of components. Components mean the vector A, that's mean components of vector A are ai vector, a2j vector, a3k vector, here a1i vector. That's mean with direction, projection with direction, projection with direction, this is a component. Here a1 is a projection, but we have already explained this. And a1i vector is a direction, so a1i vector is a component. Similarly, a2j vector is a component, a3k vector is a component. Of two vectors cross product, that's mean A vector cross B vector, this equal to, you can write this, just putting the value of A vector and B vector. Now multiply A1 B2 I into J vector, but we didn't, here we not take I vector into I vector, because I vector into I vector, this equal to 0, that's mean I cross I cross I, this equal to 0. We know this formula because in my previous lecture I had explained how I vector cross I vector, this equal to 0. Okay, similarly A1 B3 I into K and A2 B1 J into I, A2 B3 J into K, A3 B1 K into I, A3 B2 K into J, and K vector cross K vector, this equal to 0. Similarly J vector cross J vector, this equal to 0. Now this equal to, we can write A1 B2 A1 B2 I vector cross J vector, this equal to K vector, I vector cross K vector, this equal to minus J vector. We know this formula because in my previous lecture I had explained A2 B1, this equal to minus K vector. Similarly this equal to I vector, this equal to J vector, and this equal to minus I vector. Yes, this is a side note, this is a formula. I cross I means 0, J cross J means 0, K cross K means 0, and I cross J, this equal to K, J cross I, this equal to minus K, J cross K, this equal to I, K cross J equal to minus I, and similarly K cross I, this equal to J, and I cross K, this equal to minus J. That's mean we have apply here this formula. Clear everyone? Okay, now take common I vector. When we'll take common I vector, here will be A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Similarly, when we'll take J vector we can write A3 B1, that's mean A3 B1 and A1 B3 plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 into K vector. And this equal we can write this use of determinant IJK A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. When we'll take I vector, we can omit this and this, so A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Similarly, second part, when we'll use J vector, the sign will be minus, but as we have here used plus, so we have to start at first this line, then this line, that's mean A3 B1 minus A1 B3, and K vector, that's mean this and this, omit A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, so this is a determinant form, and for solving this related math we will use this formula. That's mean for cross multiplication we will use this formula. Clear everyone? Note that vector A cross B, A cross B is a single vector. A vector cross B vector, this is a single vector whose direction will be the perpendicular direction on two vectors A and B on the plane. That's mean the vectors A and B lie on which plane. The cross product of these two vectors will be, that's mean its direction will be the perpendicular direction on this plane where A and B lie. Clear? That's mean the vector A cross B is perpendicular on the plane of two vectors A and B. Clear? So the unit vector perpendicular on the plane of two vectors A and B, this equal to plus minus this. That's mean A cross B vector, this is a single vector, and also a cross b vector divided by absolute value of a cross b vector. This vector and this vector are parallel or their support line same. This vector and this vector are parallel or their support line same, because here multiply 1 divided by absolute value of a cross b vector with a cross b vector, and here use plus or minus. Direction will be upper side or lower side, we don't know, so here sign will be plus or minus. If the direction will be upper side, sign will be plus, and direction will be lower side, sign will be minus. So as direction didn't mention, so we'll use here plus minus. Clear everyone? Okay, now follow the next. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vector 1 and 2. That's mean a vector is equal to this and b vector is equal to this. Solution: given that a and b equal to a vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vectors a cross b, this equal to, we have to use this formula ijk 2 minus 6 minus 3 4 3 minus 1, this equal to, when we'll take I, we can write this into this and this into this, minus j, so first we have to take minus 1 into 2 minus 2 and 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12, and thus minus, which is used for formula, so minus and minus will be plus. Similarly here 6 minus minus plus 24 k vector, this equal to this. Okay, and absolute value of a vector cross b vector, this equal to square root over this, and after calculator we will get 35. Therefore the required unit vector, this equal to plus minus this divided by this, and just putting the value. Okay, and finally we will get plus minus 1 by 7 3i minus 2 is a plus k vector. This is the required answer. The condition of three vectors be coplanar. That's mean three vectors are given a, b, c are coplanar, then a vector cross b vector dot c vector, this equal to 0, that is a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. That's the coefficient of the vector a, coefficient of the vector b, and coefficient of the vector c, this equal to 0. That's mean determinant of the coefficient of a vector, b vector and c vector, if 0, then we can say the vector are coplanar. That's mean lie on same plane. Clear everyone? Remark: a cross b into c means c dot a cross b. A vector dot b cross c vector, this equal to b vector dot c vector cross a vector, this equal to c vector dot a vector cross b vector. A dot b cross c is known as a scalar triple product of three vectors, which is indicated the volume of parallelepiped whose length, breadth and height is a, b and c. Okay, now follow the solution related to the formula that I had discussed in previous slide. Find a, so that one, that's mean this vector and this vector may be coplanar. If three vectors are coplanar, so we can say the determinant of their coefficient, this equal to 0. Here given vectors may be coplanar, so they are may be coplanar, therefore we can write this coefficient of the vectors, this equal to 0. Now calculate, we'll get this. And how to calculate, you know, because we have already finished a lesson on determinant. Okay, Therefore a is equal to 5. This is the required answer. I have given 2 lecture on this exercise, and I try to explain different kinds of math. Okay, and I think now everyone will can solve this exercise. That's meant to be. Some of you will face problem, some math, so you can share with me. No problem, I will help. Okay, so homework to be left all. Date of submission here will be 13/9/2020. 13/9/2020, that is missing. Time 7 p.m. 13/9/2020. We'll submit the copy in the group. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you to all everyone.